Remember back in the day when a property first hit the market, they'd have an open house? Well, those open houses are now back. I've got all the details, which I'm going to share with you right now, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Warren Oberholser. I'm a local realtor in the East Bay Tri-Valley area in Northern California. My channel's all about helping both buyers and sellers get maximum results for one of their biggest investments, their home. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I post new content regularly. And if this is your first time here, don't worry about taking any notes. I create a blog for each of my videos, so you'll find a link for it in the show notes below, so just sit back and enjoy. Okay, let's get right to it. As of last week, the CAR, California Real Estate Association, has now allowed realtors to host an open house. Of course, there are a few rules and guidelines to follow, and I'll touch on a few right now. Number 1, all visitors must wear a mask regardless if they've been vaccinated. Number 2, all visitors must sign a register or complete the P document. The P disclosure is the document realtors would have their clients sign prior to visiting the home since we've had the pandemic. And number 3, all visitors must practice proper social distancing. Now, at this time, there isn't a max capacity number for visitors. It is left up to the hosting agent to monitor and control the number of visitors to ensure proper social distancing is enforced. So it would be common sense a small condo or home would have less visitors than a 4,000 square foot house. One last point, each county and city may have their own rules that can supersede the CAR guidelines I just covered. You can find all this information posted in my blog. The bottom line, this is great news for both buyers and sellers. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, post any questions or comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so. I post new content regularly. If you found this video interesting, you may want to watch these other two, what's going on with this crazy Tri-Valley sellers market, and how to get your offer accepted in the Tri-Valley area. So stay tuned. I have more helpful videos like this coming soon. Please reach out to me for any of your real estate questions or needs, and I wish you all the best on your home journey.